Hi, my name is Wardina Sairatul Amisha binti Mokhtar, metric number 07 DPR3A 1023.
And we are from DPR3A. Today, me and my friend Wardina would like to present to you about our product, which is Knitfordolls. Now, we will explain to you more about segments that include in BMC, which are customer segments, value proposition, channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partners, and the last one is cost structure.
Now I'm going to tell you the business model canvas for our business Knitfordolls. Number 1 is customer segment. Customer segment is a group of people or organization that we aim to reach or serve. For our business, by demographic, we are aiming at women, teenagers, and students. By psychographic, we are aiming a girl or women who love to dress up. By behavioral, we are aiming people with standard income. By geographic, we are aiming entire Malaysia to sell our product.
Alright, next we're going to talk about value proposition. The value proposition is an innovation service or feature intended to make a company or product attractive to customers. The value proposition for our product is our product comes with good quality fabric. It is comfortable to use, has a lot of design, many color choices, and of course, comes with a beautiful design.
Number 3 is channels. It is how will you communicate with your customer segment to deliver value proposition. Knitfordolls are using business to customer, which we will sell our product directly to the customer, or else customer can reach us on Shopee, Carousel, Instagram, and Facebook page.
Now, moving on to customer relationships. Customer relationships is how the relationship between the seller and the customer. For our product, there is a lot of way how we bring ourselves closer to the customer. The first one is we often doing live broadcasting on Shopee and Facebook apps. The second one is every purchase of our product, we will provide thank you card as a way of our gratitude for the purchase and support to our product. Next, we're doing contests, and the last one, we often ask for feedback from customers as our way to correct things if any that go wrong from our management.
Number 5 is revenue stream. It's how will your value proposition bring in revenue. For our business Knitfordolls, we are getting a revenue from knitwear sales and also fixed costs.
From revenue streams, I will continue explain about key resources of our product. Key resources is the assets that available to the business that allows you to run your operations effectively. For our product, we need a lot of things to run our business smoothly. The first one is Lean Remover Trimmer Cloth Machine Tools. It is used to remove fluff from knitwear to make them look like new. Next is internet connection. This is the most important thing for our business. Without internet connection, we cannot market our products on social sites. The third one is mobile phone and computer. We use it to communicate with customer and receive orders. The last one is printer. we need a printer to print airway bills that have the customer's address so that their package arrives safely.
Now we move to number 7, which is key activities. This is an essential operation to lead to success to our business. For our essential operation, firstly we are going to order from a supplier of a bell knitwear. Secondly, we are use SESI service to deliver the bell at home. Once the bell arrive, we are going to open it and choose for the best clothes. And then the knitwear will be ironed. And lastly, we will picture it one by one and the best price will be set.
After that is key partners. Key partners is the partnerships obtained through networking with the people that can help with your business success. For our product, we have 3 key partners, which is the first one is bell supplier. We need a regular bell supplier so that our stock will always be available if we run out of stock. The second one is SESI logistic. It is the transportation of heavy goods by sea. We use them to bring our bell from Semenanjung to Sabah. It also does not cost much compared to using others. The last one is CNT and Post Laju Courier. We use them to send the customer's package order safely to the customer's home.
The last thing in BMC is cost structure. This is all the costs and expenses a company will incur while running a business. For Knitfordolls, we have a stock bell, packaging material, car petrol gas, and Shopee taxation. Last but not least, we also have a future plan for Knitfordolls. Number 1, we are targeting to earn 1,000 ringgit per month. Number 2, we want to open our own shop to ease the prospect to walk in and shopping there. From our perspective, BMC is a good thing to apply because it describes your business model that we are running right now. BMC are also easy to make and it makes our business more organized. I think that is all from us. Thank you for watching.